Hi friends, good afternoon. Hope you have seen the important dates for Nifty IT, Nifty Metals, and Dow Jones. Okay, so now we are going to talk about cryptos, ETH and BTC. And one of my client, he trades this. He became my subscriber only because of this, prediction. Uh, he was asking for the important dates. He asked me whether that important TCD dates will work in cryptos. So I've given few examples, and we started trading from only on those dates. And he's a perennial bull, and he's still talking about it will do 2 lakh and dot. All that I don't know, but he's very bullish on crypto. So he asked me the dates, and I gave the dates for the last 1.5 years. So now it was started falling down badly after the important TCD date. So now it is nearing to a very important and crucial date. Let's see how it is going to do, because the video which I put on crypto, it is only for him. So that is why I have not published in YouTube. So now this video I'm going to publish it. So you will know very well know that the future date which are going to come, and you can see how it is going to react on those dates. Okay. Let's see how it works, and I'm going to compare. Apart from that, I'm going to compare with a chart on Ichimoku, and based on my system algo design. Okay, so now first we will talk about the dates, nothing else. Okay. Okay, first we'll talk about BTC. So this is BTC on 1 day. Okay, so the important date, which first, after he told me to track, so I tracked. The first important date was 14th April. Okay, after 14th April, high and low. So I marked the high in blue color and the low in red color. Okay, so after this, it is not able to go above the blue color, which is the high of 14th April, and started falling. Okay, then the next very important, always remember, blue color date, okay, is very powerful than this yellow color date. Okay, so now the blue color date came on 24th June, and after that it closed below, but my stop loss triggered. It closed above the 24th June high, again my stop loss triggered. So 2 times stop loss triggered here, and the third time when it went and closed above this, it was a rocket move. Okay, again the important date came on 13th November 2021 for BTC, and next day it closed above that, so my stop loss got triggered. And once it's closed below 13th November date, it started falling like this. Okay, from here to here, from 63,000, now it is 41,000. So now the most important date first. Okay, we'll talk about the date. Please remember this date, write down these dates, and see how it is, what is happening here. Okay, the first important date is happening on 23rd Jan 2022, which is coming month. Okay, 23rd Jan, and 23rd Jan is holiday, so you can see on 24th Jan. Maybe you can take 21st Jan also, or 24th, 1 day prior or later, whichever if you want to take, you can take 21st January or 24th January, but the actual date was 23rd January. Okay, so now the very important date which is going to happen will happen on 12th March, which is the blue color date, 12th March. So this is the future date, so you can definitely watch these dates, how it is going to work out. A simple logic is, if the TCD date comes, wait for the day. Once it closes, the next day when it closes above the date high, this date high, which is 23rd Jan 2022, simply buy with a stop loss of 23rd Jan, low as a stop loss. That's a way you need to trade. Simple logic. Here there is no indicator, no Ishimoku, nothing, no number game, nothing. This is a plain chart, works only on the dates. Okay, so all the 3 dates worked very well. yes, the stop loss got hit, one or two times, but fine, it is working like, magic. So now the important dates for BTC is 23rd Jan and 12th March. Okay, maybe after 12th March, the last date which I'm seeing is 3rd April 2022. So in BTC for this year till April, you can take these three dates. One is 23rd Jan, 12th March, and 3rd April. Let's see whether 3rd April is holiday or not. I'll just check in my calendar. 3rd April. Yeah, 3rd April is again Sunday. So you can watch on 4th April. Okay. So these three dates in BTC. So now we are going to see BTC in Ichimoku. Okay, based on Ichimoku, it is on a daily basis. Yes, it is below the cloud, below the conversion line, below, lagging span is way below, and even it is close to below baseline. So on a day candle, it is not looking great. Number one. Number two, please remember this dotted line, which is the blue color dotted line and the red color dotted line. I will tell you, what's going to happen here. So now coming to weekly. So weekly on Ichimoku, now we are not talking about the dates, we are talking only about Ichimoku. Okay. So now the Ichimoku cloud here, this is actually, maybe I can just a minute. Okay, so now the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud on weekly front, it is at 30. 37,356. It is hovering at 37,356. So normally Ichimoku will not give the lower number, and it definitely test our patience. So this number is very, very crucial, which is the Tenkan-B support, which is 37,356. So watch out for this number. But anyway, I will not watch out for this number. I will watch out for this number, which is the dotted line, which is 37,828. Okay, I will tell you why this number. And my stop loss is this, which is 33,817, or my stop loss is 32,300. Why 32,300? Because if you go back here, the last blue color TCD happened on 24th June 2021. Okay, it will not give up the low of 24th June 2021 that easily. Okay, that number is at 32,300. So now if I go here on a weekly front, that 32,300 will be my last stop loss in case if I'm entering Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm just giving you the number. Okay, 32,300 will be the last stop loss for BTC. Okay, so now on a closing basis, please remember this, on a closing basis on weekly. Okay, so now I will try to enter. If I'm trading in Bitcoin, I will try to enter at 32,828 with the stop loss of 32,300, 37,828 with the stop loss of 32,300. But I don't like to enter here. I will try to wait for this number, which is 33,817. If it touches there, I will definitely buy with the stop loss of 500 points. Okay, 33,817. So now I've already given you the dates in BTC, and on a chart wise, it won't give up the Tenkan-B, which is the last support of the Ichimoku cloud. If it closes below, it is bearish, but I will definitely apply my system, which I think it is a little superior than Ichimoku, because that's a combination of Ichimoku and so many other tools which I combined. So I believe my number, which is 33,817, if I get it at 33,817, that's a cakewalk with a stop loss of 32,300 on a weekly closing basis. Okay, so now I will show you the same, this two number which is this blue color dotted line and the red color dotted line in my system. Okay, so now this is my system design. So I mark the blue color here in dotted line, and I mark the red color in dotted line. Okay, here, this previous slide. So this high is 37, whatever. Okay, so these two numbers will act as a major support, and the number I've already given here, which is the dotted line, which is 37,828 and 33,817. But 4,000 points, I don't know how many people can survive that, but I will try to buy in case if I'm going to trade in Bitcoin, that to BTC. I will wait for 33,817 with a stop loss of 32,300. I'll take a chance. Otherwise, unless and until if my once again, if my daily comes to buy, I will not touch this counter. Okay, and if this comes to here within this blue color red color line, which was the low of 24th June, and if the high and low of 23rd January, which is going to happen in the coming week, maybe the next week, if it comes and trades here, then it's a double confirmation for me. If it holds the low of 32,300, you can definitely take even double long or triple long. Okay, and it will respect, for sure it will respect that date, high and low. Okay, so hope you taken the dates 23rd Jan, 12th March and 3rd April. So I think mostly I covered this, and you can try this also. But it is going so fast. Maybe I will try to cover one video when it comes very near to my system, how to go short and make money in Bitcoin also. So the dates are very clear to you now. So kindly watch on these dates how BTC is working, and you will be simply amazed. Okay, so now I'm going to ETH. Again, the same simple, no fundamental, no technicalness, no indicator, no Ichimoku, nothing, just dates. Okay, so now going back to dates, which is the first blue color date. This happened on July 16, 2021. Okay, so high and low I already marked. July 16th, it closed below July 16th low, so I would have gone short, but next day my stop loss got triggered. So once it closed above, I need to buy on the buy number, which is the high of this date, which is 1965.84. Okay, this is the high of July 16th, 2021. Okay, so it closed above here. So what I need to do, I need to buy at the high of this date. The next day it gave me an opportunity, and my stop loss was 1846, which was the low of 16th July. Okay, so from there you all know it went like mad. Okay, so now the next date came here on 13th November 2021. Same for Bitcoin. If you go here, it is 13th November. Both the dates matched in BTC as well as in ETH. Okay, so now in BTC, my stop loss got triggered on the next day because it closed above my 13th November high. So my stop loss got triggered here. But when it comes to ETH, my stop loss not got triggered because it has not closed above my 13th November high. In BTC, stop loss triggered, but not in ETH. Okay, it went close to below. It went close to below. So now, once it closed below, I need to take a shot here. Again, shot here. 2 times triggered, but third time it gave phenomenal money. For just 25 rupees, 30 rupees stop loss of this one, it gave a phenomenal money. Now coming to important dates in ETH. The important date which is going to happen, the blue color date which is going to happen is 12th March 2022, and the second important date is 3rd April 2022. So in ETH I have 2 days only. dates only. So one is 12th March and 3rd April. And if you go here, the same number is matching here. So the big date for both ETH as well as BTC is 12th March 2022. Watch out for this date. Don't forget. Okay. So now dates is over. Now I'm going to Ichimoku. So obviously in Ichimoku, it is well below, on a day candle, well below all the Ichimoku criteria. So on a day candle, you need to avoid. And coming to weekly, based on Ichimoku. Okay, so in weekly, you can definitely take a chance, in the dotted line, which is 232612. This dotted line number is 2612, and the low number is 2321. Okay, if you get a 2321, it's a cakewalk for you. You can definitely buy, but the stop loss should not be more than 1%. Whatever it is, let it be Bitcoin or whatever, your stop loss should not be more than 1%. Okay, so now we can definitely take a chance here because Ichimoku bottom line, the Tinken B is here. So you can definitely take a chance if it comes to 2321. Okay, why 2321? I will show you in the next slide. So now based on weekly, in case if it comes and touches 2321, you can definitely take a chance with the stop loss of 2321. But normally I don't give this much of stop loss. I will wait till it comes and touches this number, which is 2321. Otherwise, when my system gives a buy on a daily, I will go and buy on a daily. Till that time, I don't buy. So if it comes near to this, you can definitely buy. Even if it breaks this, even if it breaks 2321, it will not give up this day low so easily, which is happened on 16th July. Okay, 16th July low will be held. The thing is, if 15th July, 16th July low and 12th March low are same, many times it happens, okay, then it is going to be a rocket move on the upside, or the once it breaks the 16th July low or 12th March 2022 low, it is going to be a very bad situation for Bitcoin or ETH. But if the 16th July 2021 high and low and 12th March 2022 high and low, or if it trades within this high and low, then we are going to see a rocket move in ETH. But many times it happened, it happens in Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty, the important date was, September 17th, I think. Yeah, September 17th. You can go back and check, September 17th, what happened, and you can check my videos also. It was a combination date, and the combination date, high and low was same. Even in the last video which I put, that is also, on the same, combination dates, the dates of high and low. I think it was Nifty Meta. You can go and check the video. It means it's going to give a phenomenal up move or a phenomenal down move. It may be even 7% downside on the index. Okay, so now watch out. So now 12th March, which is the combination of this is a blue color, and it is the same date is applicable even for BTC. So some magical thing may happen in cryptos on 12th March. Watch out. Okay, so now Ichimoku I've already said, and why this blue color line and red color line? Because that is my system line. Okay, this system line, it won't give up that easily. It won't give up that easily. Watch out for this number 2312. If you 2321, sorry, 2321. If you get a 2321, simply buy with 1% stop loss and see the magic. And if it closes below 2321, it is closing below the Ichimoku weekly Tenkan B, which is very dangerous, but it won't give up that easily because my system design will definitely protect. Let's watch. That is what happened so many times, and I think it will definitely respect those numbers. And if you go to Nifty on a weekly friend, 1 second, I'll show you. So this is what I said, it will protect. But last time, 2 weeks before, it does not touch to my number. It has to touch. It has to come and touch my system. Then only it is, I can buy, otherwise no. And if you see here on daily, no, it has not touched. Maybe if you go, sorry, in weekly, it is not touched. But when it go to daily, it respect my numbers. Okay, so now we'll go here. So it comes, touches my red color line, it won't close below. Here also same. Again came and touched my blue color, bounced. Okay, so now coming back, again came here, touched, bounced. Once it breaks, the sell came. And now again saying, the genuine buy will start in Nifty once my system gives a buy. Till now it is in red only, even after breaking my system 2 days before, which happened on 5th January, it is not in green, it is still in red. So unless and until it becomes green, which is a buy signal, again, you will see a lot of problems happening here. Most probably I am expecting some downside on Tuesday. Okay, let's watch. And today Modi is going to talk, I think at 4:30. Let's see what he's going to talk today. And coming to Bank Nifty. So yesterday it went and touched to my red color design. It is not able to close, and that is why I gave a sell call. Okay, and I said very clearly 38025 you sell, and it came down by roughly around 600 points and closed somewhere in the middle. So till it doesn't close above 37919, and it has to, the candle has to come to green. Till that time, I will definitely wait for the opportunity, sell on the higher side. But till now, it has already achieved all our targets from 23252312 to 38025. That is our monthly target. But now let's watch whether, we don't know, when the trend goes bearish, we need to turn ourselves to bearish. And if you come to 15 minutes, it is still in green. So once the 15 minutes thing comes to red, I will definitely sell. On 5 minutes, it is already in sell. And Nifty also the same. And Nifty is little ugly when compared to Bank Nifty. Even on 5 minutes, it is not able to break my system number yesterday. And from there, it closed below. On 15 minutes, it is in green. And on 1 minute, it is in green. So dilly-dally, close on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that is what I posted to my subscribers. Let's watch, what is going to happen tomorrow. The pre-open will tell everything to us, and expecting some downside on Tuesday. And I've already given the important dates for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty I'll say, in case if anything happens in Bank Nifty, I will definitely post a video. So hope, BTC and ETH future dates I've given, and let's see, how whether BTC and ETC, the cryptos will respect, the dates or not. In case if you want, I don't know how many people trade, because this is a huge number. Nobody wants to trade when it was trading at 47,000, 50,000, 60,000. If you are tracking any Bitcoin, you can let me know. I will give you the dates and see how it is working. Okay. So again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered, investment advisor. So kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or mutual funds or cryptos or whatever. Thanks a lot for watching this video. In case if you like it, please subscribe it and then comment it. Okay, that is what I want to know. Please comment it. Thank you.